Now that you're ready to develop your property, you've come to the right place. As a premier dual occupancy and multi-unit development firm, Lazarovski Design is your local expert in town planning, design, development, building and subdivisions. Over the next few minutes you'll be introduced to our customizable 4-stage planning strategy that can help your project come to life. Designed to be tailored to every client and their specific goals, here's how we'll help you get started. Stage 1. Town Planning Permit. Commencement. This is where the wheels truly start turning. After taking on your project, we'll come take site measurements, start designing a plan, and create a plot layout that shows the outline of each dwelling. This will cover things such as private open spaces, car parking, turning circles, and other essentials. Once you've approved it, we'll continue on with ground floor, first floor plans, and elevations. You'll approve each stage as we progress to ensure a smooth flow of information and to help us maximize the potential of your site. Council submission. Once you're satisfied with the overall design, we'll move to finalize the plans with a council submission by providing them with final drawings. Once your application is received, the council has 2 weeks to allocate your project to a planner and start the approval process. Council review. After a planner assesses your application, they may come back with a request for further information or RFI. This will be sent to you directly as the applicant. Simply resend it to us and we'll take care of the rest. You may also talk to the planners directly if you wish to do so. As your project designers, we can communicate to the council on your behalf while keeping you up to date on the overall status. Once the RFI has been reviewed, we'll provide advice to help you move forward, while also seeing where we can work with the council based on prior experience. This is your opportunity to tell us what change you're happy to make and those that you want to stick with. We'll work with you to help you achieve your desired outcome and do our part in making them happen. Once changes are decided, we'll resubmit to the council and move on to the next stage of the project. Advertising. The council will send out letters to your neighbours and you'll need to erect a sign up on the site and keep it there for the required 2 weeks. Objections. This is an opportunity for any affected persons to object to your application. It must be done in writing and be valid, so you don't have to worry about someone just not wanting units next door. Objections will be required to be specific and explain how a design will affect them. Decision. Once a decision on your application is made, it can go one of 4 ways. 1. If there are no objections and the council is satisfied, they will issue a town planning permit. 2. If there are few objections, the council may issue a notice of decision, which means development will be approved unless objectors make an application to VCAT. Experience shows few actually file an application, but it's still a possibility. 3. If objections are plentiful, councillors will vote on the decision. This can either lead to an approval, issuance of a NOD, or refusal. And finally, 4. Your application is denied and the council provides a written refusal on the reasoning of their decision. You will have the opportunity to have the decision reviewed at VCAT if desired. Planning permit. The council will issue a planning permit if you've received an NOD and 21 days have passed. We will review these conditions and make any necessary changes before submitting new drawings for endorsement. Once endorsed, drawings become part of the permit and Stage 1 is complete. Stage 2. Building permit. We'll move towards creating the working or technical drawings and documents required for a building permit. This includes soil tests, engineering, energy rating, and other technical information that helps trades work with one another. Though simple in nature, it takes 6 to 8 weeks to finalize plans and ready the building permit. Stage 3. Building. Your project begins to take shape and site construction begins. We can recommend experienced, trusted builders to ensure you get the best, fastest and most affordable support from start to finish. This will help you save on time delays and unexpected site costs. Stage 4. Subdivision. We recommend commencing subdivision once construction begins, preferably after the slab stage. This includes recommending land surveyors to help with the subdivision permit. It's more of a formality rather than an assessment. That's it. It's that simple. If you're ready to get started or have any questions regarding our process, simply contact us via email at hello@lazarovski.com.au or by phone at 1300 95 8888 and we'll be happy to help you. When you need a trusted design and development team to help ensure your design, planning and build process goes smoothly, choose Lazarovski Designs and get the best support in Melbourne, Victoria and the surrounding area. Lazarovski Design, the unit development specialists in Melbourne.